If you don't have time to cook a full meal, you can get some chicken wings. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. As you can see right there, all these different seasonings on here. I'm gonna mix this up and I'm gonna let it sit so it can dry some before I put it in the air fryer to get it super crispy. I have got Caribbean jerk seasoning with a little butter, garlic, and herb. Top it off with a seasoning all salt because these two seasoning are not heavy in salt, and the seasoning all is going to bring it all in. And then you just get a good mix in here like this. Make sure you add the seasoning to your liking. Want a little spicy today, little Caribbean jerk. Hit it with a little extra herb, garlic, butter. And if you like lemon pepper, you can do lemon pepper too. I just didn't want to do lemon pepper today. Lemon pepper is my favorite wing, but I'm trying something different. All right, here you go right now. You have got Caribbean jerk, butter, garlic, seasoned salt wings. I'm gonna air fry these on each side for about 12 minutes, and I will show you the finished product. Get that air fryer on max crisp, 450 degrees. Seasoned up. I even preheated my air fryer also. Just turn it on first. Get it hot in there. The storm in the great city of Houston. Storm bad. Which is bad for me because I'm on my way to work and people can't drive when it rains. Try my best to pack all of these in there so I only have to run it one time. And that is a success. Here's my taste tester. Titan, the Newfoundland. Say, hey, Titan. Yeah. Okay, drizzling. There you got it, folks. Into the air fryer. 10 minutes, then I'll flip it. Take another peek at the 5-minute mark. Okay, crispy, jerk, seasoned salt, butter wings. Quick little tasty topping for your jerk chicken wings. Canned ranch. I don't have time to make my own ranch, but canned ranch is the best. For bottled ranch, it is the best. And give you a little bit more spice, Texas Pete hot sauce. So let's say that's about a quarter of cup of ranch. Let's say you get, and this is always a flavor to your liking. So if you don't want it too spicy, but you want it to have a very good color once you mix it. So you get your layers. So you mix the hot sauce and the ranch to where it's kind of pink. Can you see the pink in that? And then once it's pink, you go to Sweet Baby Ray's no sugar added because I'm on keto. Barbecue sauce to keep the keto alive. And now you have ranch, barbecue, hot sauce, dipping sauce for your chicken wings. Don't look great, but it tastes out of sight.
And then open the chevron left to